Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have a PR package to share with you today, and this is from Youth to the People. They sent me, I have a little card here, and they sent me this package. This is a nice little bag right here. Youth to the People. I have tried a few of their products. I can't honestly say I've tried a ton of their products. So we're going to get a little sneak peek as to what's in here. I have no idea if I've tried these already or have not. Oh, they sent over a strap. Oh, so you can like use this as a carry bag. So Youth to the People. I'm not going to open this up. I'm just going to leave that in there. They make a cute little, like if you had to go to the beach. It's not thermal, but oh, maybe it is. It's like plastic inside. I don't know. It's a cute little bag for sure. And it has the, you know, the straps, the hooks on it. All right, that's not bad. So it looks like we have cleanse it, treat it, and condition it. So let's do these in the order. Cleanse it, condition it, and treat it. All right, so cleanse it right here. Superfood cleanser. It's their best-selling superfood cleanser. Gently removes makeup, SPF, and excess oils without stripping your skin. This is kale and green tea, spinach, vitamins. I know I've tried some of their stuff in the past, but I honestly, I don't know if I've tried any of these, which I'm fine with because then I can give these a try. Oh, okay, so it comes with a pump right here. Put it on, and this is what it looks like, and this is glass. Well, that's nice. Is it thick? Yeah, it's a thick gel. Well, that's nice. I'm happy to have that. Well, that's cold. Okay, we'll give that a shot and see what I think. I like that it comes with a pump. I prefer cleansers that have a pump, and that is 8 fluid ounces, so that's a nice size. Next, we have the serum right here. So this is the Treat It, the Superfood Skin Drip Serum. This is their 3-in-1 barrier boosting super serum. Deeply hydrates, brightens, and evens skin tone. Put it to the test and watch your skin drink it up. And this is kale peptides. Oh, I can't read that. Whew. Magnifier to the rescue. Kale and peptide, dandelion root, niacinamide, and postbiotic. I don't think I've ever heard of postbiotic. I've heard of prebiotic. But, okay. Oh, and another glass jar, green. And that is another pump, which is nice. Okay. Green, probably kale. But there's kale on the other one, and that one wasn't green, right? That was more clear. And then the last one here is going to be Condition It. This is their lightweight gel, Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream, plump skin with vital hydration for up to 48 hours. I mean, you would reapply. I would think you would reapply within those 48 hours. I know I would. I would love stuff like this for a nighttime. Oh, and that looks nice. Nice glass jars. Let's see what this looks like and feels like. Ooh, that. And that's full. No scent. So there's a little bit in the lid, and I'll just give that a little touch right there and see. So that just goes right in. Not thick or heavy. No scent, thank goodness. Scent and me for facial products doesn't always get along. If I put it on and it goes away fast, fine. But if it just lingers, like I have had some with a heavy rose scent. And I don't mind rose if it's light and goes away. But that is in. Feels nice. I would use this at night. I don't know if I would use, I mean, I could use it during the day, but I have moisturizers that are more water-based that I would use, that I use during the day, and this is kale and spinach hyaluronic acid. Right? What else does it say? Yeah, kale, spinach, and hyaluronic acid. Youth to the People. I don't know pricing, so we'll have to look up the prices because they don't give prices on the card that they sent. And it's a 3-step daily skin routine for clear, hydrated, and balanced skin. So you cleanse, you treat, and you condition. That's what we should all be doing anyway. If you mix other products in between, you know, serums and use essences, and it's always thinnest to thickest. So besides your cleansers, and if you double cleanse, sometimes if I have full face of makeup, I'll use an oil first to get most of it off, like a balm, and maybe a wipe or my makeup eraser, get the majority off, and then go in with a product like that. But I will list prices down below. I'm excited to try these, and thank you to Youth to the People for gifting these to me and sending these over to me. Can't wait to try them and see what I think. I might start using these as my nighttime routine, and, you know, like maybe after a week or two, and see what I think. But I don't think Youth to the People is like super, super expensive. But I will look at the pricing, and I will list that down in my description box if you are interested in trying any of these products. Thank you once again for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.